Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SNDK just 8 days ago, to be exact on July the 2nd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $2,032. And at this point, my main assumption was that we have two crucial levels. One of them was the level of support, and I told you that this asset should retest this level. It is the price point of roughly $1,937. And if it breaks it to the downside, we have to retest this level, this yellow line at the price point of roughly $1,559, and we have to see the reaction. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Sandisk, and since I made my previous video, this asset retested this level of support. Wait a second, I will show you in details. It retested this level, $1,937, had a bounce, but eventually it broke it to the downside, retested from the bottom as in a textbook, and went lower. It hit exactly the point that I marked in my video and had a reaction. And guys, as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. RWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what was the reason of the most recent price action of Sandisk, how we can catch its next movement. So, let's begin with the general sentiment related to Sandisk stock. And if you want to find it out, you have to type in Google search bar SNDK stock and switch to new stock folder. And I want to pay attention to just a couple of the most recent news. First of all, this is the reason why Sandisk spiked 10% just yesterday and the day before yesterday. And this is the reason. Sandisk shares spiked 10% on multi-year meta storage partnership. Let me pay your attention to just bullet points. Meta has reportedly committed to a long-term NAND flash memory supply agreement with Sandisk. Shares of Sandisk soared more than 10% Thursday following the Reuters report. An internal Meta document reveals plans for 7 gigawatts of compute deployment in 2026, scaling to 14 gigawatts in 2027. Official confirmation and deal terms remain undisclosed by both companies. Sandisk previously reported approximately $42 billion in committed multi-year supply contract revenue. And guys, definitely these type of partnerships for the next couple of years with the growth for twofolds in 2027 is extremely bullish catalyst for Sandisk. And that is why on Thursday and Friday we have this substantial movement to the upside that is retesting, guys, the level of resistance that I marked in my previous video. This is the same exact level that previously worked as the level of support right here. With this exception, it worked as a level of support right here, right here, right here, level of resistance right here, and level of resistance right here. And definitely it is a very technical movement. On top of that, I want to pay attention to another quite important news that the company, one of the leaders of the Korean market in the same exact field, began trading just yesterday on Nasdaq. And definitely this might be very important news for the entire industry, because it is the leader of the Korean market. It is the one of the biggest company of the Korean stock market. The second one is definitely Samsung. And this is two main stocks which were the main contributor to the rally of the Korean market. And that is why, guys, depending on the attention that that we have on the market to this industry, all other stocks might skyrocket in the near-term perspective. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, first of all, I want to pay attention again to the forecast from analytic firms. We have another company who set its price target, and for now, the consensus analyst price target among 23 analysts is set at $2,251, which implies about 17.5% of upside potential from the current level. It is not the biggest upside potential, but nevertheless, we might see the trend continuation to the upside. And from the technical standpoint, guys, for now, I'm pretty sure that we have this type of structure. This is the fifth wave. Wait a second, this is the internal third wave. Wait a second again, I don't need this tool anymore. And yes, we've completed this structure to the upside, and we have this retracement. If I zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, you can see that this movement has a very healthy retracement, and we have two options. Let me delete some unnecessary tools, I don't need them anymore. We have two options. Option number one is that we have another extension in the major fifth wave of this scale. Wait a second, of this scale. And if so, guys, we have to hold this line. We shouldn't see the breakout below the level of $1,559, and in this case it will be a next leg to the upside. From this top, technically speaking, we've already completed, wait a second, an ABC. This is a pure and clear structure of ABC correction, and this might be the beginning of new uptrend that will be an extension in the fifth wave. For now, I have to warn you, because if this asset retests this level, we might see another leg to the upside, and in this case, this ABC will be only an A wave on a bigger scale. Then we have to see another leg to the upside to complete the B wave, and then another leg to the downside. But as usual, we have a bull case, and the bull case is following. We have to break these tops, and technically speaking, guys, it is more than enough to have this as our completed ABC correction, and that is why this ABC is not my primary count. What should we see if we want to see the trend continuation? Definitely, we have to see first of all the breakout above this line. Let me mark it as a horizontal line that worked perfectly well as the level of support and resistances. And if on the Monday session this asset breaks this range and retests it from the top, wait a second, retests like this, and have another leg to the upside, it will be a pure confirmation of at least medium-term uptrend. But if it fails, if it moves down, it is not an invalidation of a bull count. We have to see some kind of retracement from the levels, let's say from 180 to 1,800 to $1,700, and from this level we also might have a very good chance to see a movement to the upside. The only the only crucial level for the stock is this line, this yellow line at $1,559. This line should hold in order to see the trend continuation to the upside. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no